Section 12.5, we're talking more triangle congruence here. The next congruence theorem we're going to discuss is the side-side-side congruence theorem. And all it says is that if three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another, that's enough to say the two triangles are congruent, even if you don't know anything about their angles. So we call that side-side-side. As you can see in the illustration here, all three sides of triangle ABC are marked congruent to all three sides of DE and F, and therefore we can make a statement that those two triangles are congruent. Again, make sure that you have the congruent statement so that the vertices of each triangle are aligned in their order of congruency, I guess I could say. So for example, AB is congruent to DE. Those should be listed, you notice, in the statement in the same order. BC, the same as, let's see here, EF. So BC and EF are in the same place. And then of course AC and DF. AC are at the beginning and end, as is D and F. Okay, so let's go to the next page and write a proof. So remember, we cannot say that two triangles are congruent unless we have at least three parts of them that are congruent. So we're given that KL and NL are congruent and that KM and NM are congruent. Well, where's the third part that's congruent? Okay, well, I can't say that any of these angles are the same for sure, but each of these two triangles contains this side LM. So I can say that segment LM is congruent to itself. And if it's congruent to itself, remember we refer to that as a reflexive property. And therefore we have all three sides of this triangle congruent to all three sides of this one. So we can say by side, side, side that these two triangles are congruent. Now make sure we get the correct order. So triangle, I can call this triangle over here anything I want. So I'll go alphabetical order, KLM. Now the other triangle has to be in the same order. So KL is the same as NL. And then LM is the same as LM on this one. And I should have put a little triangle there, shame on me. So KLM is congruent to NLM by side, side, side. And there you have it, example 1.